Setting app limits on your iPhone 16 helps you manage your social media usage and maintain a healthy digital balance by controlling the time spent on specific apps. Here's how it's done. To begin, head over to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on screen time. To continue, tap on app limits. Next, tap on add limit. To add limits for social media apps, tap the arrow next to social. Select the specific apps like Facebook, X, and Instagram, or select the entire social category. After making a selection, tap next on the top rightmost corner. To set time limits, choose your preferred daily time duration, or tap Customize days for different limits per day. You can set specific hours for each day, like 3 hours on Saturday, 1 hour Monday, and the like. After configuring the time limit schedule and settings, tap Add to confirm your settings. This iOS feature helps you maintain control over your social media consumption while allowing flexibility for different schedules throughout the week. You can always adjust these limits as needed through the same settings. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.